In the Purim story, when the Jews are faced with annihilation, the first thing that Esther says is to gather all the people together. One of our challenges is our differences, our difficulties in agreeing with one another, and what we've been able to put aside in these past 11, 12 days is our differences, that we have been able to show a degree of unity, of achdut, which we didn't think possible. The Sfat Emet says that this sense of unity is the real key to Jewish prosperity and Jewish survival. That we have to realize that when we focus on our differences and our difficulties, that is when anti-Semitism really thrives. The message here is clear that we have to come together, and we have to come together not just when it's really difficult and everyone's up against us, but we have to come together all of the time. The achdut is our antidote to the challenges facing us as a people, both physically and existentially. And my beracha is that we can see that, because sometimes it's easy to say, oh, let's partner on a program, or let's do acts of chesed together. But when it's like, oh, let's get together with people we disagree with, oh, that's too hard, that's wrong, we can't do that. And that's exactly the message, that with achdut, we have to compromise. We have to show that our values of unity are more important than any difficulties that we may have. My bracha that we can all see this and move forward with unity for many, many weeks to come, long after all this has passed, that unity is the key takeaway from all of our problems.